Hey, what's up, everyone? Hey, it's Terry Bontemps. Day 69. Day 69. Let me show you where we're at right now. Look at that trim, you guys. Look at that white trim. Look at them walls, okay? Boom, put new doors in. Okay, new interior doors. Now I'm going to show you where we're at now. Got some baseboard, but it's not on. It's in the other room. But here's the bathroom, okay? Getting it ready. We got a stand-up shower. Okay, right here, we're gonna be putting some walls on so it looks really nice, okay? We got the tub installed. Okay, still needs to have some finish work done to it, of course. But I just wanna show you guys where we're going right now, okay? There you go, and that's the bathroom. So I'm gonna give it a quick spin around. Boom, that's gonna be where the vanity goes. I'm gonna texture those walls, fill that in, put some drywall there, and just put a nice looking mirror so it looks good. But as you can see, bam, we're doing really good, okay? Bam, it's starting to look like a house, floors down, put some baseboard up, and voila. Also, got the alarm system put in. That's right. Yep, I'll tell you what, you guys, if you're doing rehabbing, you got to have an alarm system for the squatters and the homeless so they don't take over your property. But there we go, day 69, and hopefully tomorrow, I don't know for sure, more finish work. I think by the weekend we'll be putting walls up in that bathroom, and then we're heading toward the home stretch, which is gonna be those kitchen cabinets and the finish work. Got some finished painting to do, but we are so close. And I do have a buyer. Told you guys I thought I had a buyer, got an offer in, accepted over asking price. So things are going real good, you guys. Hey, have a good one. Terry Bontemps signing out. Talk to you on the next video. Bye.